Hi, this is Coraline from Natural V is Your Favorite. Today we're going to do some mushroom and bean burgers. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use, and um, and then I'm going to have to cook some of the ingredients. And what I'm going to do is I'll cook those, let it cool, and then I'll come back. All right. So today, like I said, it's going to be mushroom and bean burgers. And so this is a carton of portobello mushroom. Okay, you can see that, and a third cup of red onion. And this is a large garlic clove. All right. So like I said, I like garlic. Now, I know a lot of people, I don't do chickpeas, but the beans that I am using are Lupini beans. Okay. And the reason I'm using those is because they have less carbs. Okay. So I mashed them up. Well, I grind them up, and these are the fermented ones. So I did rinse them off a little bit because I didn't want too much salt, in the recipe. So, and then what we're going to add is this is about a half a cup, well, yeah, about a half a cup of chopped walnuts. All right, kind of give it that crunchy taste as well. Then I made my egg, and this is a flaxseed egg. So, like I said, when we come back, I will we'll mix everything up together. Then we're going to add some salt, nutritional yeast, some pepper, and paprika. This is a smoke. You can use either one, whichever one you want to use. And when I cook the onions and garlic and mushroom, I'm going to use avocado oil. All right. So like I said, I'm going to cook that, let it cool, and then we'll come back and mix everything together. And then I'll, finish out the video. Okay, we're back. I just want to show you what the mushroom look like. I dried them out. You want to cook them very much so that it's not watery, because mushroom, when you start cooking it, it will generate a lot of water. So that's what it looks like. Okay. And it's cooled off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the Lupini beans, all right, to that. And that's about a cup, okay? A cup of those. All right. Now I'm going to add the walnuts. Okay. That there. And I'm going to add a little bit of, well, we'll wait. Yeah, just add a little bit of pepper. Now this is probably brand new, and I have not opened it. Yep, it is brand new. Yeah. Okay, so we'll add a little salt. Don't want it to do too much, because I said the Lupini beans, they do have salt. And a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. It gives it a nice flavor as well. Some paprika. And I just start out with a little bit. If I want to add more, I will. Okay. And this is our egg mix. And this is about two. I'm just going to use half of it. Probably won't need to use all of it. Because, some people, they add an egg, but I don't, because I'm vegan. Now we're going to mix this all up. And what I'm going to do, once I get it mixed a little bit, I'll take my hands and do the rest. And then we're going to do a taste test. And then we're going to make the little patties. Okay. And like I said, you want to make sure Now you can just use psyllium husk, but I like the flaxseed egg myself. And I'm just doing a small batch because I've already made them before, and my daughter said they were delicious. Okay, so that was because we were having Bible studies, so I just fix enough for all us to eat. But right now, this is just me, and I just don't want too much of anything. So okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to taste this and then go from there. Okay, let's taste a little bit of this. Oh, these are so good. That paprika, gives it a good flavor. Now remember, I don't think I've posted it yet, but I have a post coming out where it's onion bread. And so you can put one of these patties on your onion bread with some lettuce and tomato. And you can have it with the cauliflower potato salad. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let me just move all this out of the way because use a spoon again. I don't need any more salt. Put that over there. Paprika is fine. I won't worry about the black pepper. But if you like pepper, just add it in. Okay, this over here like that. And so what I'm going to do is bring my tray up. Okay, there's a tray with my parchment paper there. Okay. So we're going to make them. A little bit more. Because if you get 4 out of these, and you want to cook them on 325. And cook them until they get kind of brown on top. And then you want to flip them. And as you flip them, be really careful. And so flip them and let them get brown on the other side. Then once that's done, you know how they are they cooked enough. Then you take them out and let them cool. But these are really good. I like it. I don't think I put paprika in it the last time, but this time I did. Like I said, what I do, I like to look at different recipes, but a lot of them don't, have it where it it's my favorite. So what I do, I look at recipes and then I just come up with my own natural ingredients. And not saying that, they don't use natural ingredients, but, I'm vegan. I watch my carbs. I do eat some, but I, kind of watch them. So right there, that is 4 burgers. I could have made them a little bit bigger, but I'll make a little small one. Yeah, it's a little small one right there. And just think you're gonna, it's gonna have a nice crunch and everything. So, okay, there we go. All right, so let me take these off and I'm gonna hold this tray up so that you can see them. Put that over there like that. Okay, so here we have the burgers. There we go, you can see that better that way. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to cook them on 325, 15 minutes on one side and maybe 15 minutes on the other side, because like I said, the you want them really done and they are moist in the inside too. So, like I said, the first batch I fixed, they were so moist and everything. And you can put it on, and if you want to just eat it on bread, fine, that's good too. All right, so like and subscribe. And again, I'm Coraline from Natural V It's Your Favorite. And put your comments in the comment section.